And we are live. Hello mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lair business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So have you ever felt like what you're doing doesn't really matter? Like you're showing up, you're doing your best, but no one notices. What if I told you someone out there has already been changed because of what you did, even if you don't know yet? So stay with me because tonight's story might just remind you that your impact is greater than what you think. So every week we talk about stories that fuel your heart and remind us that purpose can be found even in ordinary moments. So tonight we will talk about something we often overlook, the unseen influence we leave behind. Because sometimes the seeds we plant take time to grow. And we might never see the full harvest, but it doesn't mean it isn't there. So months ago, I started sharing my small wins, my struggles online, and honestly, I thought no one was listening. I poured my heart out in posts about faith, business, and growth, but some days there were no comments, no likes, no messages. Then one night I told myself, maybe it doesn't matter. Maybe I'm just talking to myself. But I kept going, not because I was sure of the results, but because I knew why I started. So fast forward one random day, someone told me, "Thank you for sharing your Kape at Kwento episodes. I've been learning so much, not just about faith, but also about life and business. So your story inspired me to grow and keep going." Thank you for the love and thank you for watching, Melvin, Melissa. Hello. So when I heard that, I paused because there were so many nights I wondered, what if what I'm doing, what I was doing mattered? But that one message reminded me, even when it feels unseen, God is still working through us. That's when I realized our impact isn't always invisible. It's real. We don't need big audience to make a difference. Sometimes it's just one person, one life touch, one heart lifted, and one dream reignited because you chose to share your journey. I will show Melissa's comment. Thank you for watching, Melissa. She said, keep going. So thank you, thank you. So your story, your lessons, your faith, your business experiences, they're planting seeds in people you may never even meet. So don't underestimate your quiet influence. Because while you're just trying to help, God is using your story to bless others in ways beyond what you can imagine. Thank you for the love, Donna. Thank you for watching. Wow, I have 2 million followers, 2 million viewers today. So tonight, I want to remind you, keep showing up, keep sharing your journey, keep using your platform, your business, your story, not just to earn, but to encourage and empower. Because you never know. You use silently. You'll never know who is silently being inspired by your courage, by your growth, and your faith. And maybe one day someone will message you too to say, "You've changed my life," without even knowing it. So if this reminded you that your story matters, share this live with someone who might need that same encouragement today. So always remember, your impact is greater than what you think. So keep growing, keep believing, and keep shining your light wherever you are. So thank you so much for taking your time to listen to my Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. My topic today is you're making more impact than you think. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and minds, open our lives to true freedom. Teka lang po. Isushow ko lang uli. Keep ko muna yung message ni Melissa. Okay, yan. Okay. I think pwede naman pala. Ay, wait. Ayan pala. Good evening, ma'am. Hello, good evening, Donna. I showed your comment. Okay. Thank you for watching. Ayan. Nakita ko na uli yung aking website. Thank you for watching, Donna and Melissa. So see you again on my next live episode of Kape at Kwento-Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more about the business, you may sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.